It's a 2019 INFINITI Q70L. Experience luxury as an art form with a grace inspired by nature and space inspired by the great outdoors. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. INFINITI InTouch navigation, integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, INFINITI InTouch apps, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, rear wheel drive, Bluetooth streaming audio, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Motor Trend notes, as expected, the interior is covered in high-quality leather and handcrafted wood pieces, while the controls are set to be intuitively and ergonomically placed. INFINITI, superior craftsmanship surrounds you with infinite possibilities. Take it for a test drive today.